Hello, YouTube fan. Get ready for an amazing video experience. Hello, dear viewers. Get ready to expand your horizons as we delve into Toyota Aygo. The Toyota Aygo is a city car segment marketed by Toyota mainly in the European market between 2005 and 2022 across 2 generations. The Aygo was first displayed at the 2005 Geneva International Motor Show. It was built alongside the related Citroën and Peugeot at the Toyota Peugeot Citroën Automobile Czech TPCA joint venture in Kolín, Czech Republic. The Aygo's production ended in 2021 and the model was replaced by the crossover-styled Aygo X. The name Aygo comes from Aygo, symbolising freedom and mobility. TOC. Brace yourself for a captivating discussion on first generation ABB 2005 as we explore its nuances and implications. First generation ABB 2005. The decision to produce the cars was made on 12 July 2001 when the presidents of Toyota and PSA Peugeot Citroën, Fujio Cho and Jean-Martin Foles respectively, decided to produce a small car to share development costs. This project was called B0. The Peugeot 107 and Citroën are rebadged versions of the same car. The main difference between the Aygo and its French siblings are badging, rear side windows, steering wheel, and the easily recognizable front and rear treatments. The planned production was 300,000 cars annually, 100,000 cars per brand. Sales began in July 2005, and the car was available as a 3- or 5-door hatchback. There were 2 engines available, a 1-liter, 3-cylinder engine rated at, and a 1.4 LH diesel I engine rated at. The Aygo was used on Top Gear in a giant match of football, showcasing its maneuverability. The Top Gear presenter deemed the Aygo and its Peugeot and Citroën counterparts to be competent town cars. A modified Aygo was also used on 5th gear to perform a 12-meter high loop-the-loop on a specially designed track to determine if a stunt that can be done using Hot Wheels toys can be replicated in real life. The stunt was driven by stuntman Steve Truglia in May 2009. In January 2010, the Aygo was part of a worldwide recall by Toyota for a faulty sticking accelerator pedal. It was found that under some circumstances, the pedal could stick in a partially depressed position, or return slowly to the off position. The recall affected the Aygo, Peugeot 107 and Citroën models built between February 2005 and August 2009. Information from Toyota later suggested, however, that only Aygos with automatic gearboxes were affected, and that those with manual gearboxes were not. First-generation models include Aygo Active 2013, Aygo Active Plus 2013, Aygo Black, Aygo Blue 2007 Lagoon Blue Edition, Aygo Kin 2007 Special Edition made in collaboration with Calvin Klein, Aygo Cool Blue 2008 Slate Blue Edition, Aygo Easy 2011 Limited Edition released in Switzerland, Aygo Edition 2011, Aygo Fire 2012, Aygo Go 2011, Aygo Ice 2011, Aygo Mode 2013, Aygo Mode with Aircon 2013, Aygo Move 2013, Aygo Move with Style 2013, Aygo Platinum 2008, Aygo or Aygo Plus 2006, Aygo Sport 2006, Aygo Team 2008. In the following segment, we'll be examining in greater detail. The Aygo received its first facelift, replacing the front bumper shape from the original, and changing the rear lights to a transparent appearance from their original red-tinted cluster. File Toyota Aygo Blue 1 Front Toyota Aygo Facelift File Toyota Aygo Blue 1 Breed Toyota Aygo Facelift. As we progress through this video, let's shift our attention towards and uncover its hidden depths. The Aygo received its second facelift, this time incorporating a much more angular bumper and space for the inclusion of daytime running lights DRL. Fire Toyota Aygo 1 VVT-i Connect STYLE2. Facelift from Tansicht 10. MERS 2012. Rating and Toyota Aygo Facelift Fire Toyota Aygo 1 VVT-i Connect STYLE2. Facelift Heckensicht 10. MERS 2012 Ratingen Toyota Aygo facelift. In the following segment, we'll be examining reliability in greater detail. Breakdown statistics reported by the German Automobile Club in May 2010 placed the Aygo, which the data grouped with the Citroën and Peugeot 107 at the top of the sub-small car class, in respect of the low breakdown rates achieved for cars aged between 1 and 4 years. With that being said, let's now move on to engines. Petrol engine, diesel engine. Now, let's shift our perspective and explore Aygo crazy concept through a fresh lens, unlocking new perspectives. In 2008, Toyota created a drivable one-off concept car based on the Toyota Aygo. Named the Aygo Crazy, it was unveiled to the public at the July 2008 British International Motor Show in London, before appearing at other motor shows that year based in the United Kingdom. The Aygo Crazy has a mid-mounted 1.8-litre VVT-Li engine from the Toyota and Celica, mated to an 5-speed gearbox and fitted with the Toyota Motorsport turbo-cargo conversion. The manufacturer claims the engine produces 197 at 6,700 revolutions per minute and 177 lft torque at 3,400. Weighing just 1050, this gives it a zero sprint time of 5.75 seconds and a theoretical top speed of 127 mi, though the latter has not been tested. Unlike the standard Aygo, it has no driver aids, power steering or anti-lock brakes, but its rear-wheel drive layout helps traction under heavy acceleration. Exterior modifications include wider arches to accommodate the 1 inch of extra track, 17-inch alloy wheels with Goodyear tires, and a carbon fiber rear spoiler designed for the 200mi American Champ Car series. Suspension is from them, with adjustable tine shock absorbers and McPherson struts front and rear. To cope with the extra power, Toyota upgraded the standard 247mm front brake discs to a 328mm Brembo conversion, with 280mm ventilated rear discs replacing the 200mm drums normally found on the Aygo. An uprated helix clutch is also used. The interior features a partial roll cage for extra chassis comfort and driver protection. 2 specially designed sports seats, trimmed in red and black, and a suede-rimmed Sparco steering wheel complete the race-inspired look. Toyota claims the Aygo Crazy cost to build. In the upcoming section, we'll be dissecting BYD and exploring its implications in greater detail. Since 2008, the Chinese car manufacturer BYD Auto has produced the BYD, an unlicensed clone of the Toyota Aygo. As we progress through this video, let's now turn our gaze towards second generation of 2014. Of second generation of 2014, Toyota revealed a completely redesigned Aygo at the March 2014 Geneva International Motor Show with the slogan "Go Fun Yourself." The design was attributed to Japanese youth culture, inspired by Japanese manga robot Astro Boy and an egg in a box, and has aims to make the Aygo more accessible to younger drivers and allow for a greater level of customizability. It began rolling off the production line on 27 May 2014. Models include the Aygo X base model with electric front windows, wing mirrors, and daytime running lights. Aygo X Play, in addition to X manual AC, Bluetooth connectivity and steering wheel controls. Aygo Express, Aygo X Style, Aygo Expression, in addition to X Play 15-inch silver alloys, part leather seats, X Touch 7-inch multimedia system, DAB radio, front fog lights and rear-view reversing camera. Aygo Explore, Aygo X Trend, Aygo JBL Edition Special Edition, in addition to Expression made in collaboration with JBL, features a JBL stereo system and a subwoofer. Aygo X Sight Special Edition, in addition to Expression 15-inch gloss black alloys and optional XNAV. Aygo Exclusive Special Edition, in addition to Expression 15-inch machined alloys. climate control AC, optional X-Nav and smart entry and start. Aygo X Pure Special Edition. In addition to expression minus the part leather seats comes in pure white color with silver trim. X and back bumper, white machined alloys and privacy glass in the back. Aygo X Claim Special Edition, only 350 models manufactured, comes with a white bodywork with burgundy decals, electric retracting sunroof. The Aygo also includes numerous safety features such as vehicle stability control VSC, anti-lock braking system ABS, hill start assist control HAC and supplemental restraint system SRS with 6 airbags. Now it's time to shift gears and explore. The refreshed second-generation Aygo was unveiled at the March 2018 Geneva International Motor Show and features a new front bumper, headlights, tail lights and engine. File Toyota Aygo X Play VVT ICVT1 front facelift. UK file Toyota Aygo X Play VVT ICVT1 rear facelift. UK file Toyota Aygo interior left interior. In the next portion, we'll be immersing ourselves in the realm of sales and examining its broader implications. Year 2005 21,000, 362,006, 96,251, 2007 100 and 2,000, 671, 2008 100 and 1,000, 303, 2009 100 and 3,000. 252 2010 83,063 2011 88,000 477 2012 72,000 295 2013 63,993 2014 68,000 874 2015 86,000 and 85 2016 84,000 321 2017 84,000 588 2018 92,000 187 2019 99,000 510 2020 82,000 711 2021 82,000 820 2022 9,000 646. Thanks for being a part of this amazing journey. I can't wait to bring you more exciting content.